York City Council members held a hearing on Mayor Mandami's proposed second home tax. Mandami's administration opted to give just written testimony to the City Council instead of appearing in person. Randy Mastro joins me now. He's the attorney representing the plaintiffs suing to delay this tax. Randy, welcome to the program. It's good to see you. When will Mandami's administration admit that their rollout of this tax was just plain wrong? When will they admit that?
Well, there have been members of the administration who have expressed regret about the rollout, but the mayor himself seems hell-bent on forging ahead anyway. This would be such an easy process to fix. And the fact that the mayor's office wouldn't even send someone to a city council hearing to defend the administration's botched rollout or explain what the administration was going to do to try to fix it speaks volumes about how wrong-headed this whole process has been. You know, here's an administration that got a state statute authorizing it to impose this new pied-à-terre surcharge, but it was required to make the initial determination who's subject to the tax and then give them notice and use all the information available to it to make that determination. Instead, what did this administration do? It published a list of hundreds of thousands of New York homeowners saying this is related to the tax. Their names, their addresses, their property values, personal information we don't really want widely disseminated. And then 17,000 people on that list got threatening notice letters saying you, quote, may be subject to the tax. So you have to apply for a quote unquote exemption or else you'll be deemed to owe the tax. Now, that's not the way the statute authorized imposition of the tax. That wasn't right. Turns out there are only a few thousand New Yorkers who even conceivably could be subject to this tax. So the administration grossly over included in both that publicly published list and the letters. Incredible.
Can you deal with this one real fast? A group of New York City landlords suing over rent freezes on 1- and 2-year leases in rent-stabilized buildings. Madison Allwood spoke to one of these landlords. Just watch this, Randy.
If we can rent it before October 1st, we can get 3% annual increase and then another small increase based on renovations we're doing.
How long will it take still for you to recoup all of that cost?
It will still take about 7 years.
And then let's say you don't get it on and the rent stays at $2,400. How long will it take then?
It will take twice as long, about 14 years, based on our calculations.
Can you attorneys do anything about this, Randy?
Yes, this is another of my lawsuits, and I'm honored to represent those small landlords. The city administration put some on the scale and got an independent board, the Rent Guidelines Board, to vote for the first time in city history over nearly 60 years, 0% rent increase for the 1-year lease, 0% rent increase for 2-year leases. When landlords are drowning, they are drowning. Their increased costs exceed the rate of inflation, which is already too high. Their income is going down. And somehow this board under Mandami's thumb decided that for the first time ever, 0 of the rent increases given to landlords underwater. It is outrageous. And we are in court this Friday to fight that.